Hi, this is another one of our patients, Austin, and what he does is toad busters. They pick up toads and get rid of them, and so they don't poison your pets. So a lot of that, back issues. So we're going to adjust his mid and his lower back so he can continue picking up toads. Lay face up for me. I'm going to bend those knees up. Perfect. And breathe in and out. And out. Again. You must be doing your stretches. Everything's moving better. Come towards me. Turn on your side. I'm going to do that lower back area. And we'll go the other way. Turn all the way on your side. Perfect. Great. Good movement. Sit up and go conquer the toad world.